Getting started with the 3-in-1 kidney function meter is simple. In this video, we'll guide you through the key steps, from preparing the meter and collecting the blood sample to checking your kidney-related values. Part 1. What you need. Before checking, prepare the safety lancet, capillary transfer tube, matching code chip, kidney function test strip, and 3-in-1 kidney function meter. Part 2. First-time setup. If the meter has insufficient power, connect it to a power source and charge it before use. Each time you start a new box of kidney function test strips, insert the new code chip included with that box. Make sure the code number on the meter matches the code number for the test strips. A mismatched code may affect the accuracy of the reading. You may set the date, time, sound, and other meter options if needed. For fingertip testing, keep the sample type set to FB, which is the default capillary blood setting. Part 3. Start the check. Insert one kidney function test strip fully into the meter in the direction shown by the arrow. When the blood drop symbol flashes, the meter is ready for the sample. Part 4. Collect the blood sample. Wash your hands with warm water and dry them thoroughly. A warm, relaxed hand helps blood flow. Gently massage toward the fingertip, then use the safety lancet to prick the fingertip. Wipe away the first drop of blood and allow a fresh second drop to form. Touch the tip of the capillary transfer tube to the blood drop and allow it to fill naturally. Do not squeeze the tube while collecting the sample. Make sure the blood reaches the black fill line. Approximately 35 microliters of blood are required for this check. Part 5. Apply the sample and read values. Apply the blood sample to the center of the test strip's sample area. Make sure the sample area is completely covered. Avoid touching the test strip with the capillary tube. If there is not enough blood on the strip, do not add more blood afterward. Discard the used strip and repeat the check with a new strip. The meter will begin checking automatically. Wait for less than 5 minutes. Your kidney-related values, including uric acid, creatinine, and urea, will appear on the display. You can then use your creatinine (CR) value to estimate your eGFR. To learn how, check the video card in the top right corner or find the eGFR calculation video linked in the description and pinned comment below. Part 6. Factors that may affect accuracy. For a more reliable reading, avoid a few common mistakes. Use the correct blood sample volume and wipe away the first drop of blood before checking with the second. Do not squeeze the capillary tube and make sure the sample is applied correctly. Always use the matching code chip and test strips. Test within 10 to 35 degrees Celsius or 50 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid high humidity or direct sunlight. Finally, keep the test strip holder and sensor area clean. Some medications or supplements may affect uric acid, creatinine, or urea readings. High vitamin C may lower the creatinine reading. If a reading is unexpected, repeat the check and discuss it with a healthcare professional if needed. If you have any questions about using the meter, please contact us at info@medasia.store. For more guides on at-home health checks and wellness awareness, subscribe to Stay Healthy with MedAsia POF 50+ and explore more educational videos with us.